beautiful day today. Which is really annoying actually, because I had planned today to go on a hike up this mountain that I tried to do last week and it didn't work out. But I'm so far behind with work that I have to go into the studio today and catch up. So the hike's gonna have to wait another week. But today would have been the perfect day for it. So this is starting to turn into a daily vlog, eh? Maybe I'll just roll with it and just start doing daily vlogs. It is such a nice day. Today would have been perfect. Oh, there it is. I cannot wait to finish that, but I have to, because today I gotta do work, not this kind of work for clients. This is gonna have to wait. So I just finished with all the work, which means I can get back to painting this. This is all going to be dot work, which is painfully slow, but needs must.